Hi Ravi.
Hello, sir.
So, what is this today's demo you are giving?
My demo is setting up an Node.js on Azure using Terraform.
This is the second Terraform demo, right? I think.
Yes, sir, this is second.
Yeah. Please go ahead. I'll put on mute.
Yes. So, my name is Ravi Kangne. I'm from non-IT background, belonging from Pune. This is my LinkedIn ID. Uh, my coach is Shanti Kumar V. This is my coach LinkedIn ID, and this is my coach websites. And this demo is done through job coaching. So today I perform setting up Node.js on Azure using Terraform. So first to understand the Terraform. What is the uses of Terraform and what is the Terraform will do? First, Terraform is an infrastructure as a code IAC tool. Example, it's just like a recipe. Tells you how to cook a dish. Means Terraform tells the cloud how to create resources like servers and databases. Second, it works with multiple cloud providers. The Terraform work with multiple cloud providers and the providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Terraform uses a declarative approach. Example, instead of writing step-by-step instruction, you just declare I need 3 servers and Terraform makes it happen. Means it's easy to show the uh, servers in Terraform. It keeps track of changes with a state file. Terraform remembers what it created. So if you later ask for 4 servers, it only adds one more instead of recreating everything. Means it's so easy to uh, create which one we need to add. If the Terraform uses HCL, HashiCorp configuration language. Example, writing Terraform code is like filling out a form. You specify what you need and Terraform takes care of the details. My next slide is user requirement. As a user, I need to automate the creation of Azure resources using Terraform to ensure consistent and reliable infrastructure deployment. Deploy a Node.js server on virtual machine within an Azure virtual network, ensuring proper configuration for handling HTTP requests. Set up a dedicated resource group for the Node.js server and related resources to organize and manage them efficiently. Implement DNS setting up and security configuration to ensure the Node.js server is accessible via a custom domain and protected against unauthorized access. The Node.js deployment strategy I am showing in picture diagram: DNS and security, resource management, Node.js servers, and Azure resources. My next slide is user story. As a dev engineer, I wanted to set up an Node.js server on Azure using Terraform so that I can automate the deployment process and ensure consistent and reliable infrastructure for web application. Automating Node.js server deployment and Azure on Azure. Azure infrastructure, Terraform automation, DevOps practices. The demo objective: creating of Azure resources using Terraform, deployment and configuration of the Node.js server, verification of the server's functionality by assessing a web application hosted on Node.js, monitoring and logging up for the Node.js server, automating Node.js server deployment on Azure with Terraform, Azure resources, server configuration, monitoring logging, Terraform deployment, functionality verification. For that, I give an AI prompt. I need to set up the Node.js for my organization. In private sites using Terraform, user story, user requirement, demo objective, and agenda. So how are Node.js set up in private site? Agenda, user requirement, user story, and demo objective. For I make 3 files. First file is a server.js. In server.js, constantly express constantly app express port is a 3000 app.get, and then resources sent welcome to Node.js app listen port console log server is running on port. Here is I made a second file. Main TF is a Azure resources group main name Node.js resource group location skipping West Europe. This is Azure service plan. Then give the name Node.js app service plan. Location Azure resource group main location. Resource group name Azure resource group main name. SKU name as F1 OS type Linux. Then I show the Azure Linux web app. The name Node.js app service, location Azure resource group as a main location, Azure group name, Azure IAM resource group, main name, service plan ID, Azure service plane main ID, site configuration, app command line, npm start, it keep always on, app setting website app service storage, false website port is 3000, output app service URL. Value Azure Linux web app main default hostname. Then I make a third file is provider TF. In provider TF, it's the first one is the subscription ID, second one is the client ID, third is the client secret, and the fourth is the tenant ID. This is my coach page. You can contact with him on LinkedIn also. Now I perform practically. So what I showed you 3 files to make Node.js server. These are the 3 files. Now here I am go to the git bash. Then I here give command code, okay, and enter. Here you see VS Code is open. Which file I explain you. Here is this is are the 3 files. Okay, I explain this snippet code in a slide. Now I perform. First I go to new terminal. I give my first command to npm init. My first command is run. Then I do second command npm install express. Run. Then I give next command as the Terraform init. It's running Terraform init. It's working now. Here is the initialize the backend is creating the backend Terraform and is the latest version of HashiCorp, which I shown in a slide. HashiCorp. So I am here is the show Terraform has successfully initialized. Now I run my second command. Second command is the Terraform plan. My second command is running. These are the all codes you are see in a Terraform website. My second command is done successfully, and my third command is Terraform apply. Now I am using my third command Terraform apply. In my third command, the Terraform apply in this. Here is the enter value yes. I put and value here. And the resource group is creating. It's taking to time. Now we check how this is resource we get. If we need to check, we copy this address here. See here. This is came from Terraform registry. Here, so this all the resources come from the Terraform registry, registered Terraform registry. Here is the Azure Azure creating. Azure service plan is creating here, and Azure Linux web main app is creating here. So working. Is it take time to creating? This complete successfully apply complete resources 3 added. Now we go to the my Azure account. Then we check. Go to Azure login. Here we check. This node resource group is created. Now we check with this ID. It's working here. It takes time to NodeJS service other websites .net. We also trying here also. Sometimes it's not created. It's take time to create NodeJS app service. So you see here, I'm successfully created the Node app service. So website.net, here it's working at this time. So now I stop my video.